haters wanna fight me. Never been the one to RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Judging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be. Judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Stacking paper steadily so I can live in luxury. Looking in the mirror, I thank God for what I'm about to be. Beefing with my enemy, that trying to make you in front of me. Girl, so weird, stay clear, I'm never drama free. Never living comfortably, got a lot of goals for me. My team so I'm mentally trying to get a bag of weed. I'm trying to get a bag of weed. Put it in my savings and invest in the right companies. My dream, so I take my time, cause I'm always where I'm supposed to be. Keep my niggas close to me, cause I know when they go for me. You cannot get a hold of me, I'm probably in a soul of me. Always making moves, man, that's how I keep my sanity. Yeah, it's my team summer. Couple setbacks, bounce back, I'm recovered. The click real small, but we making big moves. And we headed to the top so we can get a better view, like.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me.
More excitement. Look, guys. Wait. Wow. Look, it's a tree. Go around and see.
I am.
It's cold. Hurry up.
Shut up. What am I supposed to do? I gotta wait.
Look, oh my God, guys. I'm in Pennsylvania. I'm in Philadelphia. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. It fell. It's a tree. It fell, guys.
It's the end of the world.
Isn't that crazy, guys? Look how bad. You got, I wish cameras got like captured what you could see, but
Capture the wind and everything.
you can't. It's like doesn't even look as bad as it really is in person.
Like boys and females, how you gonna win when you ain't right within? How you gonna win when you ain't right within? How you gonna win when you ain't right within? Come again. Yo, come again.
You gotta get over. Can you lean over? Like lean, yeah, like drive like that. That's how I drive anyway. Like I lean and drive.
It doesn't. I can't.
Do you know where my money is?
No. I can't drive this way.
It's snowing. Look,
It is snowing. Yes. Yes, it's snowing, bitch. It's snowing. Mm-hmm. It's not going to stick though, unfortunately. I wish it would keep snowing. I wish we'd get 2 feet of snow. I'm so mad we haven't gotten a good blizzard. Really annoying.
Yeah, because I definitely need to take bomb-ass pictures in my suede jacket.
In the snow. Oh, look at this poor man. He's cold and it's raining.
Oh,
people are
yes.
nice.
Oh, it's a blind man and like it's snowing and
He
raining
was
really bad. And he
struggling
was
by
struggling
himself.
trying to get across the street and some lady grabbed his hand and helped him across the street. I wonder if they know each other. Oh.
That just made me feel good about
I
people.
wish I had my money. I would give her $5. Oh.
That was amazing. People are nice.
Dang, I really don't even have my money. I would really give her some money.
God please bless that woman. She was an angel.
And him, he blind.
Well, I know, but I'm just saying. Bless him, of course, obviously.
He's blind. Gotta bless him.
Sometimes people have 20/20 vision, but they could be blind in their heart. This is not
I'm
fat,
almost
so shut
24.
up. Oh my gosh.
That's fucking great.
I got engaged when I was 24.
I probably get engaged when I'm 24 too.
And married at 25.
We can go home. I'm not taking pictures outside like this.
I know. Because I knew you would change your mind once you realized how nasty it really was. You wouldn't want your eyelashes to fly off or your makeup to get mushy.
Yeah, no.
Frank
Go,
Rizzo.
go.
Ah! Why am I taking driving advice from you? Frank Rizzo was a mayor.
I know how to drive. I got into one accident.
Planet Fitness. I gotta put my Planet Fitness sticker on. Because then people think I'm healthy. So Should I put the radio on? It's way too quiet. This is way too quiet.
But you're also gotta remember I'm gonna edit it. Like it's not gonna be quiet.
No, but I just like.
Alright, well then put the fucking radio on.
No, it's my thing.
Get off. No, it's not.
No, it is my choice. It's my car, my radio choice.
it's not.
Yes. You can't do it like that.
Why? I just did. No, it's my song. It's my song.
I don't care if it's your song. Stop.
That is my break. In about 2 days, too late. Been about 3 years, I hated you. Why you keep talking about me like we're together? I moved on for the better. You move on for whatever. I was down for whatever and then some.
Do it again. I'm gonna
Stop,
smash
this is my
it. I don't care.
I'm really like, please just make me feel better.
You're so full of shit.
No, I'm not. I'm so serious.
You're gonna say about everything just to get you right. Look at it snowing.
Never hearing words they say. Yeah, I'm just doing my way. All I got are these broken clocks. I don't want no time. Just burning alive. Still love, still love, still love, still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Here we go. We got that with your wife.
It's on. That's what I was turning on. I was turning that on when you smacked my hand.
No, but you turned it on.
No, I didn't.
Freedom, just join the party. I don't wanna, don't.
Nobody. All I got is these broken clocks.
Wait, listen. It can't be all the way because the windshield wiper, I need to get a new one, and it goes.
So do I.
So I have it on low. Otherwise, it's like. And then the soap comes up.
Scissors, broken clocks right here on Philly's Power.
Woo!
Tito and hanging murder around.
All right, so here's what I want to do. Let's play a game.
I don't really want to play a game, Mom. Are you gonna get in this lane and you're gonna go all the way straight? Trust me. After this car, go. Go, go, go. Alright, now you're gonna stay in this lane because this lane always moves fast.
Okay. I'm just gonna randomly hit buttons
No, I
and
don't
then
want to do that.
I am.
I don't want to do that.
But I don't want to just listen to what I want to find a song I like, and then when that's done, I'll find a song I like.
Rima, Fab, Wayne P, Mace, the lots and more.
What's
So
this?
stay tuned for your chance
It's
to
a
get hooked up
commercial.
with that in the next hour right here on Philly's Power 89.
Oh, I thought it was a concert. I was gonna say, oh wait, hold on. What is
No, but I want to
concert?
go see Pink. It's really bad.
I hate Pink.
How do you hate Pink?
I like her music. Look, that's the car I was gonna get. I was gonna get a Dodge Charger.
I don't like that at
It's
all.
so cute.
I hate it. It's ugly.
Mom.
Stop. You can come back to it. I don't even know what. Let me go to the beginning channel. Or go to Sirius.
I love that car.
I
But
hate it.
the one I was gonna get was better looking. Like it didn't
Yeah, I
look
don't
like
like
that. That's an older version I got. I was gonna get the newer version. That's like a 2013. I was gonna get the
You know how long those
2007.
cars have been around? Forever.
Yeah, no. But I was gonna get the 4-door one. That's a 2-door.
You can be the Superman, take me here and there's nothing left to do. Just give my life with you. I'll give my heart to you. I promise that I will never lie to you more. There's nothing left to do. Just spend my life.
This is bomb ass lighting. Oh my god, that was such good lighting. I was about to turn the camera off so I could take a picture. Oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all.
I don't like your thoughts. Wait, I thought you were just taking a picture.
So,
Okay, do you want me to make you one or no?
you make her one. Come on, I'll eat
She
it.
doesn't like it. You'll eat it? Are you sure?
No.
Well, come on. I'm not making them just wasted.
I move on for the better. You move on to whatever. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Just Ginger, and this is my mom. Today we will be cooking. I feel like this is such a bad thing. What are we cooking, Mom?
We're cooking a go cake, which is like really
Tell what it is.
delicious. You cook it for it says bake me for a minute. You microwave it for a minute. They just say bake, so it sounds better. You tear this, can I tear it off?
Wait.
Or do you want to do it?
So basically, look guys, we used to get these from my grandma, but she passed away. So now we're about to eat it.
So I mush it
Oh, it's
down.
banana powder.
I mush it down and then open the thing.
So now we're gonna open it. Open it all the way?
Yeah.
And you quickly open it?
Look, tear it open. Yeah. It looks like a little mug. Keep going.
Oh, I'm just thinking about Grandma was so happy when
She thought they were the cutest
the
things ever.
first
And she
time-
would hold it like a mug.
the first time my grandma ever saw this, she was like, wow! Oh, Grammy! I'm just seeing her face in my head. She was so cute. The very first time she ever...
Yeah. She loved it.
Wow!
She thought we were like the smartest people ever.
It looks like
It's
this.
just like batter, sort of.
Is that nuts and shit?
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like it smells like bread.
Yeah. It's like
It smells like a loaf of bread. It tastes like... It don't taste like nothing.
What do you
So,
want? You want sweet dreams?
what do I do? I put it in there?
Just put it in a minute. Look, what kind of tea
And
do
then
you
you
want?
just put it in the microwave a minute. It's not gonna fall over.
No. Regular black cherry berry, cranberry apple, or sweet dreams.
And now I'm about to get hot tea. So after that, after we like let it microwave, I'm gonna show you guys.
You can like sort of let it sit a minute before you eat it.
What she said. And now I'm making hot tea, and I have a fruit green bar and cranberry apple herbal tea.
There's sugar. There's spoons in here.
Wow! And just like that, we have a magic cake. What? Ma, I don't think this is done.
Let it alone. Yes,
Look.
it is. It is time. Let it sit for a
So
minute.
now, when you take it out, it looks like this.
It just has to
You
sit.
have to let it sit for a minute. What are they called? What's the real name of
It's
them?
called Go Cake.
Go Cake, and we have the flavor banana.
I know they make other flavors, but that's all we have.
Let's get other flavors. I wonder if they have like chocolate
I
cake.
think they do have chocolate.
Is this done?
It shuts off by itself when it's done, but it's probably done enough.
But I don't want like. And now,
No, it's cute.
now I'm taking my tea. Oh my gosh! And I'm gonna stir it.
Here.
Oh my, the little one. And we're gonna stir it. And we're still waiting on the Go Cake. It looks like this. How cute.
Remember Grandma used to hold it like a mug? She thought she
My
was
grandma
so
used to
cute.
go like this and hold it and eat it. My Grammy was perfect.
Yes, she was. She had the traits
This
everybody
smells
should
like
have.
liquor.
She took so much pleasure in simple things like this little cake. She thought it was the best thing in the world. Hey, don't dump that out.
I'm gonna try again.
Want some cranberry apple tea?
Yes.
Here, give that to Kate so you can get a new one.
So this is a real test. I can eat it now?
Yeah.
It doesn't look edible, but my mom said it is.
Yeah, they're good. This is the thing I'm doing next week. Isn't it cute? Pretty good, right?
I'm not sure how I feel about it.
I have whipped cream. You want it?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. It's out here.
Whipped cream would be better on it. Give it some spunk. Because right now it's not looking too spunky.
You go in front of me because I will probably take you away.
So guys, it's a snowstorm outside, right?
I wish it wasn't.
How come you have whipped cream?
Because I just did an ice cream sundae bar for staff, but I had whipped cream extra. And so I randomly have whipped cream in my desk. Not in my desk, but you know.
In your area.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bite of it.
We have ice cream in the freezer. What happened to that?
Fuck it, idiot.
Excuse me?
So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm about to try a bite with whipped cream. And this is just the Great Value brand because we're some great value add bitches. Ooh, that looks good. Way better.
Yeah.
Way better. What is this? A raisin?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is raisins in it?
That's what Grammy used to spit out.
Don't get whipped cream on your laptop.
Sometimes she would get into Tootsie, I think.
That's it for this segment of 10 Ginger Cook.